want to do you know? New link on the attack now. Bring a old trend setter. New link. Attack.
Now in this time of people, I know you're staying home and people are wondering, where are I going to get that money? Oh my, well, so easy, so done. Now is the time. By simple doing, simple advertisement, oh, you can make so much money. And now, Newlink just going to show you how. I'm going to leave some link below the video. You can click on those links and it will to where you can make those money. I'm telling you, plenty money. Jaja City, woo. It tough and it rough out there. Blessings, my viewers and my subscribers. Big up on yourself. I don't know, it's a boy Newlink here from Newlink Production, giving thanks to life as usual on a daily basis. Attack them, Newlink. Attack them. Well, people, right about now, I tell you. It's tough, you know. Some people may have it nice, you know. Then get them stimulus package and thing. Them feel good, them feel great. Some people may in them house, cock up in them big couch and they want the AC. Now them big dive and bed, even though, you know, the pandemic and I watch Netflix, you know. But for some people, they have it rough and they have it tough right now, people. May I tell you. And now, I'm going to tell you about a case of a brother who reached out to Newlink, of a Jamaican brother who lives in the United States of America, people. And this man reached out to Newlink and sharing story with Newlink and said, Newlink, more you talk about this to me, Newlink, because I got through a phase right now where it's really tough. Newlink me feel down, Newlink me feel so bad, Newlink, but more you talk about it, Newlink. And people, I'm going to tell you what I want now. Well, this brother now, who lives in the United States of America, people, over in Pennsylvania, right? He's 36 years old. So right now, this brother now, people, not living in a house right now. He have his apartment, but can't sleep in there right now. He have to be living in his car right now, right in his car. He's 36 years old. 36 years old, you know. Well, people, actually this man, sir, then, you want to hear where that come from. I have a relationship with a female, right, who is 23 years old, and she is also a Jamaican. So Newlink I go take you back to one from start now. Well, the man said, actually, he met these females about 2 years ago, people, over in Pennsylvania, right? At the time when he meet her, he have a relationship at Jamaica with a little lady. You know a little lady and heavy like that, you understand, big woman and thing. So he said, he meet her, never meet her in a way where he say, yo, we are going to start a relationship. He meet her in a way which him see she need help because the girl at the time he see girl and like she have a boyfriend and the boyfriend beat her up and thing, and he meet her and there's a little girl at the time because at the time, you know, she's 23 now, he's 36. So at the time he was 34. You understand, if it was the correct time, he's 34 and she will be 21. You know what I mean? Young girl, and he say, you know, feel good for that. So he comes a woman, carry her in her place, and thing, and she did there stay. Until I know a thing and stay, girl, maybe look good, maybe look nice till she young and she up there, you know what I mean? One day at Jamaica, so then I know things start go on and thing, and they do have a relationship. And at the end, they have 2 kids now, people, 2 kids. So the man say, honestly, during the time where they have a lot of problems, you know what I mean, with the girl, she have a lot of problems, and she always want to argue, and she's bullying and fight. She said at one point, the girl used a belt and beat him up so bad, people, and just, you know, United States stay away. You know, say, yo, you don't want to get himself in a problem and thing. And he said, why? Because he said he was married in the United States before to a lady, you understand, and he was applying for his stay over in the United States, in permanent stay, a green card, something there. And he knows that if the police, because at the time and his wife not they together, you understand, they so much up and say, you know, now if you go deep into that. So he said, you know, want to get himself in a problem, that's why he not go really try to fight. And he said, overall, he's not that type of man where I go beat up a man and them something the people. So he said, overall, she beat him up and him take. He said, recently, since here now, in a January, she came got court for when it was something people say him no want him in the house and something, but he said at the time, him take her, remember 2 years ago, him take her in his apartment, people, and she take him in the house, and she come there and want to get him out of his own apartment. He said actually, at the end, him do come out. So right now, people at the present moment, him not live at the apartment, him live in a car. Him say, we when him go there for look for him kids, them like in 2 kids them a yard and go check them or go pay the babysitter, we are seeing kids them, he can't go in a house and like lady no want him come there or something. Him say she bring him to court, right? And when them go to court, the judge say, she don't, this is like waste of time because them not say we're no cases and then have no matter like say the man assault or anything like that. So she don't, the judge not see reason for this and one if something saying at the end just to avoid the conflict. Him say to the judge say you're not me just ease off a little. So him say actually right now people the man in a car and the man say he's a truck driver in the United States of America for a couple of years, well known people, and he say oh him help this girl in many ways people because when he meet this girl not have nothing, the nothing now go on for our people and he take her up and he say he push her and teach her how to drive truck, you understand, make she get her license and thing. And so right now at the present moment she's a truck driver, so when he meet her she couldn't even drive one donkey cart, you understand. Now he train her and push her and now she had fling gear in a truck. You understand? She get big, but he say him think the problem is coming from this girl, parent, mother. Can I say the mother always be a problem and he don't know why, because he don't know why his mother know how much him do for her, how much he help her. He says he's a man who take care of you, them say no. And he say his mother always be a problem about you. But he say when he feels is like the mother want to come move, he not in film apartment which a film, you understand? So him say him call the landlord people and talk to the landlord about it, you understand, about the situation. The landlord said listen, you are the one that I rent my apartment and if you not living there she can't be there. So him said at the end you don't know where she at it, but having two youth them, you understand. When at the end I talk to this man people and myself it honestly him for go and hold it like way do, because I'm saying woman don't want him in the house right now. And this lady see the crisis, this young girl see the crisis where are going with the COVID-19 and he put the man in the street, him two kids them daddy. So I left the man big man for dead, left him two youth them. She not think she's young and she crazy. You can't do that. No matter if you're the man in an argument right now. And the man, you understand, it's this hurtful people put somebody out there, man of you and care people, and that's image of me and showing what go on and a joke thing, a serious thing people. This man break down the man saying you only sometimes you cry as a big man, you become feel it, you understand. And then at the end people, him say honestly, him feel like him call it quits with her and thing, and he's trying to move on because from like coming down from January things wasn't good and he's trying to move on and he have a few girl now where he deal with and the girl is not in the States, so they're way back down and one different country down there's people and him best try if he does focus and go forward, but this girl is just being a barrier to him. Like she every minute she has set police on him, she has try to damage him, she has try to harm it, she don't know why or what he do, but he said in at the end him find out the girl background and find out says yo she always a woman with a beat man and fight man and then something from Jamaica. In at the end he never do that research before when he just a meet her and think people, and that's why I'm falling at this trap with her and thing. So right now this man is very tough, you know what I mean, in Kiara in Pennsylvania, man. Me I say it's sad. When me talk to him people, I say to him, so Mr. Bridget, God know if me did live in Pennsylvania right now, me that do my best to try help her, because you in a nice and know say I'm living in Kiara. Man say normally when they own people in them time, and they make some ginger, some garlic and yard and thing, you know, if you keep him immune good, because I drive truck see we and I work. And he say right now where mafia do people, where mafia do right now, the man say go coffee him can drink. That's all him can buy at the coffee shop. Coffee kind of in car and live in car make a cup of tea. You understand? So the man say for couple of weeks now in car in the people, and he say in any if you get you have an apartment figure but in car moving right now until the end of the month. Then he say before in car moving, so him just go and hold it out in car until, and the man say honestly New Link me feel relaxing in my car, me feel comfortable in my car than when me dey in my yard. New Link me feel good when me dey in my yard, me in a peace. The man say at one point when he in the house and yard people, the woman have camera set up in there just to watch him. He said the woman hacking phone people, if he send a message there, so if he talk to somebody there, so if he, everything she do, everything when do, everything in the past, she can't see anything. If in there the location to track him, she do this everything to him people. And he said he wasn't a bad person people, but because of the way how she treat him and behave with him, in the end him try if you know what I mean, if he just find different, you know what I mean. But at the end people I'm looking to him and say yo age, I know say people are going to say she's young and him a big man for her and should be with her. But honestly people, some people do have relationship where the girl younger, honestly the girl younger and the man older, or the man younger and the woman older, and they do be perfect, you understand. But some people, they are just so immature, and you have adult also who act like them a pitney, and the pitney, the younger one would act like them are the adult, you know what I mean. It happen on both sides, but me gonna say yo, it's just sad to know the condition where this man in right now, people. You know, the earthest part for me is a dad who still reach out to you, which is great. And I respect a man who take care of you, them 100%. But the sad thing about it, for know the man out there in the street, people, That is sad. The guy can't take care of himself the way he should take care of himself. You understand? With this virus thing, he can't. And it's terrible to know a woman put you out. Now, him and say woman that want that. It's like when he come a yard, he's just stir up on him. She not want him. They should do this for what reason. He not know. He say him now go judge her and say, yo, at the moment, she have no man because, you know, see her, no man or this or that. I go there, but he say at the end, you know, so he say, he does know, say, is people talking to her where she think is the mother mostly, and him see action and him know, is the mother mostly I put things in her head to keep on doing these things and make it affect the relation and damage it. And yo, now the end people, just sees and knows. I'm just pray for this brother. I'm wishing the best. And for anybody who in Pennsylvania or want to reach out to him, just link new link. I'm going to go in your number. I want to can link him. Just link me. I will give you his number and I can link him because me and him don't talk about it already. Say, you understand people because this man, John, it rough and it tough. So don't know the thing of yours and subscribers, man. This is New Link from New Link Production and we say attack, enough love and enough respect people and thanks for watching. I hope you find this a learning matter, learning process and honestly, let's help our brothers and be careful, Jamaica, man. Are the Jamaican them want to take up a foreign? Not joke thing about it. That's straight up thing. Be careful of the Jamaican them when they no go a foreign go take up because some of them are bring down and tear down. Because see the man try with a Jamaican. Can you say at the end people when they're looking to figure a foreign and say yo, you go on you try with a foreign man and they no work and he say go take up a Jamaican now and say yo boom in the end whatever maybe better call a nation and see they say this is what happened to him. So you don't know, don't fall for the chop. You don't know. Peace out.